7 lakes. It can be reached from the nearby village via a boardwalk. The walk around the lake occasionally provides direct access to the water's edge, the first bird watching opportunities. In the bankside scrub, a common whitethroat, a typical bird of this region. Mute swans, a few species of duck, great crested and little grebes live here, as well as smaller birds such as peat wagtails. Raptors such as red kites breed in the surrounding woodlands. And for many years, rare species such as the red-necked grebe have come here to breed in the higher regions of the Westerwald. Coots are found on nearly every stretch of water. If you're here at the right time, you can witness a fantastic spectacle. Every April and May, depending on the weather, hobbies pass through on their way from their African wintering quarters to their breeding grounds further north. These speedy flyers can be seen hunting dragonflies and other large insects. Opposite Dreifelden, in the village of Seeborg, is a lake that is easily seen from the road. The Heidenweiher. Home to many water birds, and especially, thanks to the large number of fish, the hunting grounds of the grey heron. But for some years now, they've faced competition. Great white egrets have recently discovered the lakes and are giving the grey herons a hard time. These elegant birds with white plumage and yellow bill are no less cunning hunters with great endurance and patience in the water and on land. Great white egrets hunt by sight and use a special method. They startle their prey. When it then tries to flee, they grab it with their sharp beaks. A successful hunting strategy. So it's understandable that there are frequent conflicts between the two heron species. The first great white egrets arrived in the late 1990s. These days, up to 50 birds may be present on any given day. They are now a fixture in the autumnal bird life of the Westerwald lakes. Sometimes they stay over winter. Young birds in particular still have much to learn about successful fishing as the prey tries to escape.
Looking for a great deal on your next flight? With Kayak, you can compare prices from hundreds of travel booking sites for all your favorite destinations.